If you're seeing the driver cannot load on this device error related to ene sys, don't worry. There are a few steps you can take to fix it. The first thing to do is turn off memory integrity. This feature is part of core isolation in Windows security and is often the main reason the driver fails to load. To do this, press Start and search for Windows Security. Open it, then go to Device Security and click on Core Isolation Details. From there, turn off memory integrity and restart your computer. Keep in mind that this is a security feature, so if you need it on for work or other important tasks, check with your IT team before disabling it. Next, you should update or reinstall any RGB or lighting software on your PC. The ene sys driver usually comes bundled with apps like Asus Armory Crate, MSI Center, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, or ASRock Polychrome Sync. To fix potential conflicts, uninstall any lighting software you currently have installed. Once that's done, restart your PC. Then, head to your motherboard or device manufacturer's website and download the latest version of the software. This ensures that the driver is properly signed, updated, and compatible with your current Windows setup, which often resolves the error. Finally, make sure your Windows installation is fully updated. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install all available updates, including optional ones, because these can include important driver and security fixes. After everything is installed, restart your PC once more. Following these steps carefully should resolve the ene sys driver error and get your system running smoothly. Again, if the problem persists, you might want to check your device manager for conflicting drivers or contact your motherboard or PC manufacturer for further guidance.